What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about the top things that you need to know about a secure credit card. So, don't forget to watch to the very end because you don't want to miss the bonus information that I have for you. So, without further ado, let's get it. The first thing that you need to know about a secure credit card is basically what is a secure credit card? Now, a secure credit card is basically a product that the banks use that will help you build or rebuild your credit. Now, a secure credit card is just like an unsecured credit card, but the limit on that secure credit card is the amount that you put on there. For example, let's say you have $500 that you put on the card. That is your limit. Okay. Now, some banks will require you to put down anywhere between $200 to $300, and then some will actually require you to put down more. It's up to you to do your research and find out exactly how much they require to put for a secure credit card. Now, the amount that you put on their card is just like you putting down a secure deposit for an apartment. You found an apartment, you have to pay that deposit, right? So you put down that deposit, you stay in the house anywhere between 6-12 months, and now you decide to leave. The landlord comes, check out the apartment to make sure everything is good, and then once there's no damages to the apartment, you get that refund back. The secure credit card is the same exact way. The bank is the landlord in this case. They will actually look at your payment history, sporadically, and see if you paid your bill on time, if not early. If you did so, then they will automatically graduate you to a unsecured credit card, and they will refund your deposit on the account. Okay? So that is exactly how the first step of how a secure credit card works. The second thing that you need to know about a secure credit card, do these actually build your credit? Of course they do. Now, there are 3 steps of how you know that these secure credit cards actually build your credit. The first step is paying your monthly payments. When you make monthly payments each and every month, these payments report to the 3 bureaus, which is TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Now, making these payments report to these bureaus, and therefore they will actually calculate a credit score for you. And that credit score, the banks will use to actually configure how much credit that they will offer you. Okay. So the first thing you do, you have to make your payments on time. Make your payments on time. The second thing you have to do is pay them in full before the due date. Now, I will actually pay them before the statement date, so that way when they report to these 3 bureaus that your balance is still zero, or you use anywhere between 10 to 30%. Like I said previously, if you use less than 10% on your card, that is considered the sweet spot. Okay. So the second thing that you have to do is pay your bill in full each and every month. Okay. Now, the third thing you have to do is keep the card open. Now, even if you use the card once every 6 months, that's still showing transaction on the card. Once you actually upgrade to a unsecured credit card, you can use it once a month. Everybody got Netflix. Put your Netflix, your Hulu on there. Put your phone bill. Everybody got a phone. Put your phone bill on there. Okay. Some type of subscription that you have that you can put on that card that you can actually pay it off each and every point. Use it for gas. Okay. So the 3 things you have to use is make sure you make your payment on time, pay it before the due date, and actually leave the card open. Okay. The third thing that you need to know about a secure credit card is what credit score is needed for a secure credit card. There is no credit score needed for a secure credit card Again, a secure credit card is a tool used to help you build or rebuild your credit, because banks know when you apply for a unsecured credit card that you are actually trying to build your credit, that you have no credit or little credit at all. So if banks ask you for a credit check, then they're actually looking for other information that will help you qualify for an unsecured credit card. Now, if you have an active bankruptcy on your account, you will not get denied. However, if you have any other negative items on your account, like a collections or a charge off on your account, then you can get denied for a secure credit card. So make sure you pay your bills on time and keep your account open as long as possible, because your credit report is now your report card. And we want straight A's. We ain't getting no F's up in here, because you ain't coming home with no F's.
No, thick, bro! Bro, I'm about to whoop yo. Y'all think I'm black, bro?
The fourth thing that you need to know about a secure credit card is, do all secure credit cards charges annual fees? No, not all secure credit card charges annual fees. However, some banks do. For example, some annual fees could be up to $120. So they will, instead of you paying it annually, some banks will break it down to monthly, where you only pay $10 a month. Every credit card, whether it's secure or unsecure, have these fees. After all, that's how banks make their money. So there's also a foreign transaction fee as well as an ATM fee that you will actually be charged. So make sure you do your homework and make sure you get the right card for you. Okay. The fifth thing that you need to know about a secure credit card is, what is the easiest card to get? Now, a secure credit card in generally is the easiest card to qualify for. That's because your secure deposit replaced the requirement of having good credit to qualify. Okay. Now, keep in mind, some cards will require a credit check to ensure that you meet bank's criteria. And banks know that building credit takes time and patience. So when you apply for this card, you actually have to fill out a short form, and they will actually do a soft pull on your credit. Now, if you qualify for this card, you will get a pre-approval. Now, a secure MasterCard from Capital One, you also have to apply to get a pre-approval. However, if you get pre-approved for the card, you still might not be qualified. You still might not get approved for that card, okay? So be aware. So the easiest card to get is the C.W.C Platinum Rewards card. That is a 7 secure Platinum Rewards card. You do not need a credit check. They will actually do a soft pull on your account, and this is the easiest card for you can get. So if you need a card and you need to get approved fast, get this C.W.C Platinum Rewards Visa card, okay? Now, if you need a student credit card or any type of credit card, you need to go to creditcards.com. I'll leave it in the description below. They have analyzed over 100 cards that they recommend. And you can actually get the Discover It cashback card is one of the ones that they offer, as well as this card. So go to the website. I'll leave that link below that you can actually find the card for you, and make sure you do your homework, because you don't want any annual fees or any transaction fees on your account. We can't help but get ATM fees, but anything else we want to keep in our pockets, okay? So my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Let's take credit to the next level. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next one.